Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys, dahil napakataas ang kanyang halaga dito sa ating selling online. Ito yung $1/2 guys na si George Washington. Mayroong taon na 1788, Massachusetts, year 2000. Coins ito ng Amerika guys. Ang year 2000, quarter dollar US, state quarter, Massachusetts. Type, US state quarter. Release, year 2000. State featured, Massachusetts entered Union in 1788. At ito yung ating obverse design guys, ang standard George Washington profile. The reverse design is man statue, Revolutionary War soldier, and the outline of the state of the Massachusetts with the inscription "The Bay State." Designer Thomas Rogers at the reverse. Mintage over 1.1 billion combined from Philadelphia and Denver Mint Mark. Face value 25 cents or US dollar. Value of circulated conditions is still worth 25 cents. And the uncirculated condition around 1 to 3 US dollar depending on the grid. Errors of centers, double die, can be worth more, often to 10 up to 100 US dollar. 1788 Massachusetts coin. This is often misunderstood. The date 1788 on the Massachusetts state quarter refers to the year Massachusetts became a state, not when the coin was minted. However, there was an actual colonial coin from the late 1700s. Massachusetts copper coin from 1787 until 1788. The type colonial coinage before the US Mint was established in 1792. Issued by the state of Massachusetts. Design of the obverse, Native American with the bow and arrow. Reverse eagle with the shield. Metal copper. Value today, highly collectibles. Depends on the condition. 200 US dollars to over 10,000 US dollars for the rare or high grade examples. Mayroon itong composition guys na copper nickel clad copper. May timbang na 5.67 grams at ang kanyang diameter 24.26 mm. Mayroon siyang thickness na 1.75 mm. At ang kanyang number naman ay number 609. Mayroon siyang reference number na KM number 305, show number 305, PCGS number 5954 and 5955, etc. From Griship na naman ay 5786, 5792, etc. Ating mintage naman from year 2000, Denver Mint, 62% ang ating population sa over 535,184,000 ka-example or pieces. Meron siyang price na good is 15 pesos. Very good, 18 pesos. Fine, 25 pesos. Very fine, 25 pesos. Extra fine, 28 pesos. About uncirculated, 28 pesos. And uncirculated condition, 54 pesos. Sa ating Denver Mint or D Mint Mark. Dito naman tayo guys sa ating Philadelphia. Mayroon lang siyang 66%. At mayroon siyang ginawang 628,600,000 kapiraso. May price naman siya na good ay 15 pesos. Very good, 20 pesos. Fine, 20 pesos. Extra fine, 21 pesos. Very fine, 21 pesos. Extra fine, 32 pesos. About uncirculated, 32 pesos. Uncirculated condition is 57 pesos. And also the San Francisco Mint, 6% ang ating fruit. Mayroon siyang example na 4,020,172 kapiraso. At mayroong price sa ating fruit coins and uncirculated condition, 140 pesos. So sa Pilipinas guys, ang itong baryang ito guys ay nagkakalaga lang ng 14 pesos sa Pilipinas kung ipapalit mo or ang palitan sa baryang ito guys. At ngayon naman guys, sa ating panahon ngayon ay 2025 years na. So guys, ito ay napakataas ang halaga nito guys. Ito ay tinatawag na highly collectibles depending on the condition. Dahil may halaga itong $200 to over 10,000 US dollars for the rare or high grade examples. Dahil napakataas ang bintahan dito sa ating selling online sa eBay, umabot ng 2,500 US dollars. So sa Pilipinas guys ay nagkakahalaga ng 141,775 pesos. So napakaswerte mo guys kung mayroon kang hinahawakan na katulad ditong baryang ito guys ng Amerika. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.